In this question, we're asked to determine the activation energy using two data points, the reaction rate at one temperature and the reaction rate at a separate temperature. The relevant equation to start with is the Arrhenius equation, and in fact we can compare the rate constant K at one temperature to another by manipulating the equation and a bit of algebra to achieve the following equation. It relates the rate constant of the same reaction at two different temperatures. All right, so here we've first solved this equation for EA and then plugged in the relevant values from our question statement. Now we just need to churn out an answer. So mathematically, the calculator answer is 0.9066 times 10 to the minus 5. We'll limit ourselves to 2 sig figs. So this is alternatively 1.9 times 10 to the 5th joules per mole, or 1.9 times 10 to the 2nd kilojoules per mole. Alternatively, we could have done a graphical solution, but with only two data points, it would be the same result. If there were more than two data points, there would be an advantage to solving graphically, as experimental errors would tend to cancel out.